And to start this video, I should say, don't try this at home. Definitely don't try this on a new car that has warranty, because they may guaranteed be upset with you. So don't try this. Just you know, share this video, comment, laugh. You know, that's why we make these videos. We like to have a little bit of fun. It's cheap entertainment or something like that. Well, we're at it again. We have another idea for another video. Maybe there's 1,000,001 of these videos out there, but oh well. Well, we'll try another experiment. For anybody that's wondering, will gear oil work in your engine? Let's find out. Maybe we win, maybe we lose. But just another great idea for a YouTube video. Well, I thought about taking it to one of those quick lube shops and get it changed. They wouldn't take part of this experiment, so we have to do it ourselves. So let's see what happens. Gear oil. It's meant for rear ends, tractors, stuff like that. But today, let's experiment and see how well it'll do in an engine. This is not the greatest idea, so don't try this at home. And for sure, don't try it if it has warranty. But if you are going to do that, please invite us and we'll have fun together. So, we got the gear oil. It's high performance, extreme pressure. Yep, lots of pressure here. Will the car survive? Whatever. And for limited slip, posi traction. Well, maybe it'll help this Tercel perform and get like 200 horsepower or something like that. So there you go. Good bang for the buck. 18.9 liter pail. This is a fresh pail there, and yeah. Well, it's a twist off, but there you go. It's all sealed up, brand new. We're not doing any tricks there. That's your gear oil. Lap it up. So since we're giving it an oil change, in this case a gear oil change, we're gonna give it nothing but the best service, just like those big quick lube shops. So the filter there, it looks pretty good. Flip it over, mediocre at best. But anyways, you know, we don't have time, so we'll just remember this as how clean it was, and we'll get it next time, because we just don't have one in stock. So we'll just say we did, and we didn't change it. It'll be alright. But the least we can do is just knock it out. Look at all the grit coming out. Yeah, it's like brand new-ish. Well, let's get rid of that factory recommended oil, as it's due for an oil change yesterday, or maybe the day before that. But anyways, never mind. Let's watch this oil. Okay, that was exciting. Never. If you're wondering, that was the factory recommendations, which we'll be avoiding for as long as we can. So we'll use this old oil jug to measure, as we need a measuring device. It's empty. Maybe a couple drops of that regular oil that we're supposed to use. So It's not like regular motor oil, that's for sure. So we'll see how this gear oil does. Have the camera roll and successfully get the gear oil into the motor. Yes, for anybody that's just joining us now, gear oil. Why? Why not? Let's just give it a whirl and see what happens. For anybody that was ever wondering, let's see what gear oil does. Kind of slow, taking its new diet. So we checked the car over. The factory recommendations, no gear oil whatsoever in this car. I was kind of disappointed because I thought, you know, since we're using it now for the motor, that we'd use it for where they recommend it from the factory. But anyways, maybe Toyota will let us know that we're wrong. So we'll make sure every drop of gear oil gets in the motor. Every drop of gear oil. There, that'll be a little more successful. Well, let's go do something productive and come back to this later. Well, let's park the camera here and see how it does for its first start with its new diet of gear oil. Well, so far, so good. Let's check the dipstick. Oh yeah, it's full. Well, let's carry on with this experiment, shall we? Well, that's another job well done. Let's see how this goes. So we'll reset the tripometer to 0. That's the mileage. Let's see how it does. Till tomorrow, we'll take it out for a spin. No weird noises, no rattles, no clangs, no bangs. Other than the crickets in the background, just some normal noises. And just in case, we'll write it down on the owner's manual. Good enough spot for it for this experiment. Well, let's go out for a little tour and see how this gear oil is going to work for this experiment. Well, about 160 kilometers later, it's still fighting like a champ. Well, today's tour was about 230 kilometers, so that's not too bad. I classify that as successful. Well, till next time. Well, I'm gonna go drop off these at a electronic waste depot. So perfect errand to run with the car. Well, a nice day to go sightseeing. Over there's Cleveland, Ohio. I don't think we'll make it in submarine mode. Not today anyways. We'll just take the scenic tour. Through here. Watch out for the two little trees. We'll be okay. Up back on the main path. Out sightseeing. All is well at Port Glasgow. Good fishing spot.
Look at the waves.
Oh, it's awesome, eh? Of course, they get the video camera out and it dies again.
Yeah.
There was waves. Like 10-foot waves. Oh well. That water didn't get on the pier by rain. Water's pretty high this year. Just following the tractor, waiting. So we're just a little over 700 clicks with this experiment. So far so good. Maybe there's a road here. Yeah, there was a road there. Good thing. Well, the lake is still there. That's good to know. Maybe the cliff's there. Too late for the sunset. Dang it all. Well, there we are for the tally. Just got to go out for a quick tour and get some paint and some supplies for some automotive projects. Well, might as well take a little detour and go see a friend for a minute. Advantage of driving a beater. You don't care about going down the gravel roads. Take whatever way is shorter. Got like a good old farm laneway. Well, let's go get her paint and get this next project done. Well, let's check the engine oil. Whoop, beg my pardon, gear oil. Gotta change that dipstick. So basically it's on the full mark. So I did have to give it a good swig of oil as the motor's starting to lose its newness a long time ago. But anyways, probably a good leader to drive at this distance. But anyways, it has slowed down its loss of enjoyment for engine oil. But here comes a funny story. One time there, was looking at a used vehicle. The sales guy, when I was checking the oil, oh look, there's oil, isn't that great? I think he was pretty amazed, in all honesty, that there was really, sincerely, engine oil in this vehicle. So anyways, needless to say, didn't end up with that vehicle. Engine oil, we better change that to gear oil. Well, we'll just set you there and start the car so you can hear the motor, how pristine it still is. Still purrs like a kitten. Still not good enough quality for me to put that on Kijiji. Although lots of people will sell you crap. There you go. So we went a little over the goal. So we got that many kilometers. So we started off with that many kilometers on the car. So now we got a grand tally of 1,440 kilometers. So that's pretty awesome. Things worked out pretty good. The motor smells a little bit different. You get a little bit different odor off the engine. But overall, things work pretty good. The weather right now is well above freezing. We're like 17 Celsius, so it's pretty nice and warm right now. But anyways, maybe this car will survive. Maybe it's going to get pulled off the road. Maybe we'll just do a couple cold starts with it before it goes off to the junkyard. Well, thanks for watching. Comment, share. Don't watch it, don't share. Do what you like with this video and carry on. Have a nice day. Cheers.